What is up? This is Matt Sullivan from Sullivan Simon, where we write so you win. I'm here with David, the other half of Sullivan Simon. David, did you get any questions from any of our loyal viewers this past week?
I did, and as a matter of fact, two of the questions were kind of related, and I think it's worth discussing real quick. One was state, one was federal, and both questions dealt with what do you do on appeal when for one reason or another you feel like you can't do anything for the client. In one situation, an attorney had just entered his appearance and realized he had a conflict. In another instance, an attorney had unfortunately already lost the appeal in the intermediate appellate court in the Third Circuit and didn't feel like there was anything more he could do for his client. Both wanted to know what to do. Importantly, what I told them, and this sometimes gets lost in the shuffle, is you are still their attorney. As long as you are the attorney of record, you must zealously advocate for them. The attorney who had a conflict had a deadline coming up in the case, and it was important that he ask for an extension so the client wasn't prejudiced and nothing happened, even though he had a conflict. For the attorney who did not win on appeal and was still the attorney of record, he needed to discuss what needed to be done with the client, what could be done, even if it probably wouldn't be successful. And for both of them, what I recommended is if you don't feel like there's anything you can do, whether it's a conflict or the merits of the case, file a motion to withdraw with the court you are in, the appellate court, not with the trial court or not the court the client maybe wishes he was in, like the Superior or Supreme Court, but file a motion to withdraw. Most importantly, don't abandon your client on appeal just because you don't know the next procedural step. It's going to make more work for you. And if you have questions, it gets confusing and it's case specific. We're always here to bounce ideas off of. Anyway, I hope that's of a help to some of you guys. And there you go. Ask us any more questions if you have them.
Thanks for watching. See you next week.
Thanks, guys.